IDL Seoul series. Your boy Dre. This is Hedgen.
Hello.
We're gonna check out Royal Family. Let's get it. Let's go. This is all in Seoul, so
Round one.
it's about to get down. Okay, Crown.
I got your movement, I am the old member.
Now,
Eee.
ooh,
This song is funny.
good song
Hey.
choice. Beat him up. Beat him up.
Hey.
Oh. Okay, switch up. She get it in the middle.
Hell yeah.
Hey.
Eee.
Okay,
Getting
mix.
it. Ooh.
Oh. Okay.
Hey. Hey.
Okay, drop it low.
Hey. That's cute. Hey.
Ooh.
Ah. Yes.
Come through, come
Hey,
through, come through.
booty. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Miss
Ah.
Hey.
Hey.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Oh.
Ah.
Damn.
Hey. Woo. The booty. Ooh.
Oh my God. Someone should keep up.
I know.
Ooh.
Hey.
Ooh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Hey,
They got
low.
lower. Ooh, the little whip.
I'm the fastest one.
Ooh.
Nice. Hey. Ooh.
Come on, come through.
Hey.
Oh. Okay.
They breaking their necks.
Breaking that neck.
Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Hey. Middle better work. Hey.
Of course.
Ooh.
Damn. Fire. I'm beat.
Clean. Ooh. Ah.
Damn.
Pockets full. Ah.
Oh. Finish him.
Period.
Finish him.
Royal Family.
God
Some
damn,
huge
Royal Family.
moments in that performance.
Wow.
Really cool seeing some of the members from
Street Woman Fighter?
Fighter.
Yeah. Of course, we kept up with Street Woman
performing.
Fighter.
Yes,
If you
we
saw those
did.
streams or that Patreon, you know, you know.
We watched everything.
Wide view.
I got your movement, I am the old
Oh
member.
yeah.
And the audio's a lot better. Or no, similar, right?
No, it's a little bit better.
That bass hitting.
Hey.
Ugh.
Beat him up.
Beat him up. Beat him up. That
Hey.
switch up.
I like the
Dang,
switch
that
up a
crazy
lot.
switch up though.
I know.
With the dance transition.
She's killing it in the middle too. Hey. Hey.
Come through. Hey.
Hell yeah.
Hey, hey.
I love that they're still dancing on it
Yeah.
right now.
That's something that we
Hey.
didn't get to see. Like the side parts too. The come through, the transition.
Hey.
Damn. Yo,
The
that bass
booty.
is going crazy actually.
I know.
It's actually affecting the.
Honestly, seeing this live would be so hype.
Oh.
Hey. Booty, booty. Hey.
God damn.
Ooh.
The wide view with the music, the bass is actually hitting the camera.
It is. Hey, hey.
Hey, hey, hey. I like the play for this too. Swerve, swerve. Oh, it's added like a downtown element. This part's crazy.
That part's fire. Hey,
Hey.
I'm the fastest growing. Yeah, hey, yeah.
Hey.
He was look.
Literally breaking their necks. Ooh.
This part's fire.
Yeah.
Then the transition to.
Formations. Hey.
Ooh.
Dang.
Oh.
That part is fire. That was so clean. Hey. Fucking full man. Hey.
Oh shit.
Wow.
That's fire too.
Breaking their necks.
Breaking their necks.
To the very
for real.
end. To the very end.
One family usually always breaking their necks. I feel like they always have that so much energy.
Yes.
It's chaotic, like controlled energy to me every time I see them perform. I mean, everybody know Royal Family.
Yup.
Royal Family, round 2.
Round 2.
Damn. Yeah. What?
Oh.
Oh hell nah. Ooh. Ooh, I got a little chill. Hey.
The hips. Ah.
Oh. Okay. Oh, okay. Ooh. Hey. That's crazy, actually.
Hey. Get
Let's
it,
go,
girl.
Miss Ma'am.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Period. Hey.
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 Come on.
Then
Get it,
floor
get
work.
it.
Oh, okay. Hey.
Kinda don't.
My
Kinda don't.
My
Kinda don't.
What? None unless you
Got buzz, hun. Damn. All the whacking. And that. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Look at Miss Mel.
Hey.
Oh, interesting finish too. The little rest.
Rest on the foot.
All right, let's check out that wide. My God.
Just starting
the
off like
starting
that.
is crazy. Oh, and it's circling. Ooh. Hey.
Eee. I like that part. Dang, he
Come on.
ran over there.
Yeah, for real. Hey. Let's see. Okay. Ha.
I love this.
Ooh, that's tough.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah.
Damn. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Which one?
My
Kinda don't.
don't want none unless you pay bullets on it.
What he say? He was telling me my milk. Come to a shop and I put him on the pill. And with his pill. He's telling me it's real that he loves us as a pill. He's hitting like I'm rolling. He wants something he can rap. So I put up in jack. I hit him with a jab. Like dun 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 dun.
Kinda don't.
My anaconda
Don't want
none unless you got bullets on it.
I love that.
Ooh.
Get her. Hey.
Look at her butt.
Dun, 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 dun. Okay, Royal Family.
I love the little ode to the OG choreography for Anaconda.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little leg up. And
Yep.
the period. And this.
The buns. And of
Buns,
course
buns.
their hands on the like ankle, the back of their
Yeah.
I was gonna give like human centipede, but not really human centipede.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now.